How to fix Cash App won't let me verify my identity. The very first thing, you want to make sure that your application Cash App is up to date. If not, you can simply head over to your app store and then move into the application Cash App. Over there, you'll find the option of update. All you want to do is click on update and update your application to the latest version. Once it has been up to date, the next thing you want to do is open the app. Enter your login credential and then sign in to your specific account. Once you have been signed in, it will land you on this page. Click on your profile icon at the top right corner. Inside your account, scroll all the way down and move into support. Once again, scroll all the way down and then click on Cash Card. Inside the menu of Contact Us, click on Chat. It will open up the chat section of Cash App support. You simply have to state the problem that you have been facing on Cash App. If you don't know what to write, you can copy and paste the thing that I have just written and then send it to them. Once the message has been delivered, within 24 hours, they will definitely come up with some solution for you and then you'll be good to go. So that's it for today, and this is simply how you can fix Cash App won't let me verify my identity. Make sure to smash that like button and please consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.